Welcome back to my authentic journey of building Gear Elevated. It's been 1 week since I committed to documenting this process transparently, and I promised you the real story. So here's my week 1 reality check. If you're expecting me to tell you I made thousands of dollars or had some massive breakthrough, you're going to be disappointed. Here's what actually happened this week. I set up my YouTube channel properly, learned Synthesia for creating these videos, mapped out what Gear Elevated offers, and researched AI productivity tools. Not glamorous, but this foundation work was absolutely necessary. Let me be honest about the real challenges I faced. I ran into my first obstacle with a video creation tool that didn't work as advertised. Their support email bounced back and I had to request a chargeback for $18. It's a perfect reminder that not every revolutionary tool lives up to the hype. But there were some genuine wins this week. I found Synthesia, which is working well for consistent video content. I optimized my YouTube channel with professional branding and I clarified my value proposition, AI-powered productivity tools for businesses. These might seem small, but foundations aren't exciting, they're essential. Here are the honest numbers, and I mean actually honest. Current revenue, still building the foundation. Website traffic, growing slowly. Subscriber count, just getting started. These aren't impressive numbers, but they're real numbers, and that's what matters. I'm not here to impress you with fake metrics. Looking ahead, my focus for week 2 is reviewing every product currently on gearelevated.com to improve their descriptions and value propositions. I want to make sure each one clearly communicates how it helps businesses leverage AI for productivity. Subscribe to follow this real journey and visit gearelevated.com to see what we're building. This is the real entrepreneurial journey, one honest week at a time. So that's my week 1 reality check. Honest, unglamorous, but real progress. What I'm learning is that building a business isn't about the tools or the hype. It's about solving real problems for real people, and that requires slowing down to do things right. If you're building something yourself, know that week 1 rarely produces miracles. It produces foundations. And foundations, while not exciting to talk about, are what everything else builds on. Here's what I'm committing to for the weeks ahead. I'll keep documenting this journey with complete transparency. I'll show you the actual products I'm developing and share the real numbers as they grow.